Hi students! Today we are going to be learning about a website called Symbaloo. And what Symbaloo does is help us, instead of bookmarking things, which can be done up here and you bookmark stuff and have to go to the different websites, this allows you to have an icon and a bookmark all in one place. So it's really easy for you to find what you're looking for. You can add these bookmarks and you can share them with other people. So first what we're going to do is start off with, I have created an account and I'm going to show you a little bit around Symbaloo. So first off, as you can see, here's some different examples of things here. So over here we have places like shopping places, Target, eBay. This is just the home page. So basically this is just giving us some examples of what people use it for. And then over here is some social medias, Google, Gmail and Google Plus, and Google Docs. Here's some education, some EDU blogs, Discovery Education, and here is some subjects for school. So basically you can get the idea that these are web links that you might want to use, and if you click on the web link it'll take you to that website. So here it takes us to Target if we click on the Target. So what we're going to do is use Symbaloo to help us create this bookmarking site for our projects. Our projects are over an issue in the community that affects the environment. So when you're finding all of your resources and you want to put them somewhere, and if you're working in a group, you're going to want to put them where your group can see them. Symbaloo is a great way to do that. So I'm going to just demonstrate a little bit on how to do that. So first, I've already created an account. I'm going to log into the account that I have created. And here is mine. The account that I created is for a teacher, so that's why mine says EDU teachers, educational, different things here at the top. You can see at the top here, these look like different tabs, and just like these are my different tabs because these are what I'm interested in. Symbaloo also will kind of create them. If you don't want them there, you can go ahead and delete them. So what we're going to start off with is I already actually created a different tab, and what these tabs are up here are actually called web mixes. So if you want to create a web mix, your own special web mix, you just go up to this corner right here and the plus button, and you click the name of the web mix, and so I'm going to do end of semester project just to show you how to create it, and we're going to add it. So it pops up with all these little spaces where you're able to add new tiles. So for your projects, the kind of resources that we need for the project is we might want to use different websites to communicate with our other group members. For example, we might want to add Google Docs. So to search for Google Docs, we might want to go up here and search the tiles, and look, it comes up with a different thing. Well, here is Google Docs. So we want to add it to our page, and you just click it. There it is added. So that's a way to collaborate with your group members, create different Google Docs to write down the kind of information that you need. So say that we want to present our presentation on a website. So we want to use maybe Glogster. And here is Glogster. So you might want to say, oh, these are kind of different. I want to put them, this is for collaboration with my group, and this is for presenting. And you also might want to do where you're finding your resources at. You might find some good resources from CNN.com. So you can put these in. I have put them in different corners to help have different sections of them. And one way to help you have different sections to know, like one is for collaboration, is to use different colors on the background. So see, I have edited the tile, and you can name of it and add a different color. So for this one I'll do red, and you just save it and it helps choose them. So I have already created a web mix prior to this to help you see better what what different ways you can use this. So here, kind of like I had already done, is ways for collaboration. You might have a Facebook group, so you can open Facebook up. You might want to use Box, as we've discussed in class.com, and this is a way to collaborate as well. Or you might want to use, again, the Google Drive, so you can create a Google Doc. Or you might want to use Zoho, which is kind of like Google Docs, and you just sign up, and it's free to collaborate with your group members. And collaboration is really important in this project, so we do want to have some sources here that you are how you are collaborating with your group. And over here I have included some different, again, here's CNN, just to show you CNN Student News to help look for information about your project. And down here is different ways to present the project. So you might want to use SlideRocket, which is an online presentation tool that you can create using your information. So this is how we do this. Use Symbaloo to have different sites, and it's just really easy because you can click on them and they're already there. All you have to do is add them. The tile is really searching. If you can't find a tile that you're searching for, all you have to do is click Add New Tile, create a new tile, and add the address of the website. So if you wanted to do Twitter, here it pops up, website. You can choose your own image or icon, and you just save it, and you can put it up here because it's a collaboration tool maybe. And we want to make it green to show that we've put it in this area. Okay, so then what we want to do is share this. So we want to share this with other group members because we want to see what we've created on this web mix. Now, if each of you in your group wants to create the web mix, you are able to do so. You can each create a web mix, share your web mixes together. One really cool thing, see, here it is, and you share your web mix, and it's public. I have mine public, so it's available in the gallery, so anyone can use the different things I have on it. And you just want to copy this, and you can send it through Twitter, through Facebook. You can email the link, or oh, it's right here too, the embedded code. So you basically can just copy that, share it with, email it to your different group members. Another really cool feature that Symbaloo has is here, this is Symbaloo collaboration, and you want to go to Indiana, and you can find here mine pops up some different teachers that you might want to follow. So Jennifer Pattinson is a math and social studies teacher, so you might want to follow her if she has 23 webmix users. If she has different web mixes here, let's see, she has student resources for class project, 6th grade math, digital resources. So basically you can follow her, and also you might like this web mix, and you can say, oh wow, iBooks and SchoolTube, Discovery Education, this will really help me in my project, and you want to add this web mix. So here is the web mix that she has created. She has it shared and open for you, so you are able to use it. So when you're sharing the web mix, as I said, you just want to email it or give somebody the link, and they can have that and be a part of it. They can also follow your web mixes and follow you and use the same thing. So Symbaloo is a great way for students, for you to use this on your project. You can use the different areas for collaboration over here. You can use this different area for different sources, how you're going to find what you're looking for. You will need sources in your project, and different ways to present your project because you want to use a fun and exciting way to present your project. So Symbaloo allows you to bookmark all these pages and places, and it provides you with a great number of, it saves your time and helps you share with your other group members, and they can add their own, they'll have their own web mix. It just really helps you guys all be on the same page. You can have your Google drive up, and that way you can just click on it quickly, and if you find something, you can add it to your web mix that the group hasn't seen and share it with them, and they can mess around with it and see if you guys want to present using whatever they show, like Logster, for example, or just different things in general. You can also do specific pictures if you're doing something in that affects your community environment with the recycling system. You can search that, and you might find a picture that you like. Oh, let's use this on our Glogster page. So you want to save this. You can put this link, add a tile. This is a resource. Copy it in here. Red. Save it, and the rest of the group can see, which is great. So overall, Symbaloo can really help you with your project. It can keep everything in one place. You can just click it on here and add it very easily. It'll save you a lot of time and can help you collaborate with your group. Good luck on your projects.